kind of stinky, right? So you have to be able to move your neck all around and still be able to breathe. So let's cut down inside of here, and you're going to see some of these, what's inside. It looks kind of like, listen, yeah, listen to this. It's really, hear that? It's crunchy.
Why is it black right there?
Ooh, what do you think that might be?
Blood?
It looks like a blood clot to me. Hear that? It's kind of like it's almost like bony.
It's cool.
There we go. So when you open it up, this is what you'll see inside. And inside the lungs, you know when you cough? That's what mucus looks like. You can kind of swipe that away.
Mr. Mucus?
The,
Pink stuff?
the foamy stuff is kind of like, it kind of covers the inside and protects it. And if you look inside, these look they're kind of ridged like teeth as you go down through it and you cut it open. And so it's very, 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 very strong. And let's see. And when you turn it on the side, you can see those ridges right there? So you should thoroughly inspect the trachea. And then let's come down here and open this. And you see there's some different holes going down here. These are going to be your bronchia and your bronchioles, and we're going to cut down one of these hearts. Remember how we saw those little, like, trees? How this was like the branch at the base of the tree?
You can see it up here too.
Oh, right up there. See how we're going to do this? We're going to cut across it.
So you're going into a lung.
Going into the lung. I'm going to follow one of those holes, one of those bronchioles.
So you have bronchitis, that's what you dumped in.
You're right. Yeah, bronchitis is what's going down. So everyone take a breath. It's okay. And you just follow the track of this. Breathe in and breathe out.
Our diaphragm.
Yep.
There's mucus all over the scissors.
Yeah, there are. You see how I'm holding these lungs over this piece of trash bag? That's a good way to do it. Oh, watch this. See, I'm following, kind of follow the path. See, I got these paths down here. And in each one of these, it can go off in different directions. Here's another way it can branch off. There's different paths to follow. And you guys can cut down and follow different paths through the lungs. Well, you know, there's naturally mucus. Here's another one. See, like you can find a hole and follow it with your scissors. So see how it branches out there. There's another hole. Here's a hole we could follow with our scissors. Follow where that one goes. So these are all the branches that go out into your lungs. So you can end up following all these, like there's a little hole there. You could cut down that one.
Gross.
And follow all these different little holes, different pathways through your lungs. And you can look at this tissue. Does this tissue remind you of anything?
Blood?
It's very spongy. So it's built a lot like a sponge. So watch this. Listen to this. Inside of each one of these are like little balloons. And those little balloons, remember how those little balloons were in there and the blood vessel was running on the side of it? Those are called, I'm blanking. Alveoli, yes. And you have several 100,000 alveoli, little tiny balloons in each one of your lungs. Now listen to this. This is the cool part.
You can hear them pop.
You ready? Want to hear them pop?
Yeah.
Oh God! Whoa!
No. Listen.
Oh, it's awesome! Like the bubble wrap. Just
Yeah,
really small.
they sound like bubble wrap. So this is it. All of these were little teeny microscopic balloons. And then do you see the bigger bronchioles coming through, the bigger chambers, the bigger tubes coming through? So that's what you're going to do. You're going to follow it down here. You're going to follow some paths. And then you're going to take it and cut it across and listen to it and check out the bronchioles and listen to those alveoli popping. And that is where your oxygen and your carbon dioxide transfer happens in each one of these itty bitty teeny bronchioles. Yes, ma'am?
Could you mention them, I don't know if this part of the topic, but if they start smoking, what would it affect them?
What do you guys think?
You die.
You get holes.
No, what happens?
It turns black.
First you hurt for a long time.
First you hurt for a long time and then you die. You're absolutely right. What do you think? Look at this tissue. See how it's red and it's very healthy looking. What do you think happens as you smoke? What happens to all this?
Turns black.
Turns black, and you're putting all kind of chemicals in your body too.
And you know those little tiny balloons? Those little tiny balloons get filled with tar and all kinds of toxins. And then tar is actually like that black stuff they put on roads to make the roads
On the
black.
top of roofs.
And on the tops of roofs, it stinks really bad. That's what you're putting in your lungs when you smoke. And that is why it is
Along with a whole
horrible.
bunch of poisons.
Yep. And so what happens is it's not flexible, it doesn't easily transfer oxygen, it gets hard. And then it can't move, and the oxygen can't move there, and then you can't breathe.